Hey guys, it's me, Barley. So it's finally here. Freddy Frostbear, Five Nights at Freddy AR. So I got a new toy name.
So what will you say?
Thank you, Mama.
Oh my God! Unexpectedly.
This is my grandma.
Who is there? Nagbablog ka?
Yes. Also, I got a new toy about this plushie. It's Among Us. It's Among Us clip from Iki Dodo. My dad is recording me. Oh, and also I got some new. I just make some new dragon puppets. Also, I got this toy too. And I got some lots of toys. So I'm gonna make an unboxing video. Okay. So I kind of like Freddy Frostbear. Sorry about that, guys. So it's kind of cool that Freddy Frostbear. Oh, and also there's a new toy called Arctic Ballora because he's my favorite. Anyways, he's my favorite second electronic. So collect them all. Never mind. Wait. What? Colección todos. Sorry about that, guys. Now, if you excuse me, I'm gonna open this quietly. Guys, also, I kind of like this new toy. Also, I ordered this from Amazon. Also, I'm sorry, I got this from Global. Never mind. Let's just continue. I'm gonna, if you kiss me again, I'm gonna open this. This is gonna be cool though. I cannot get my own scissors. Hey. Never mind. Let's just keep moving. Oh my gosh, I get excited. I'm gonna get this for a moment. Okay, so gonna look like, oh my gosh. Oh! Never mind.
Careful, huh?
Okay, Paul. Sorry about that, guys. I kinda like it. I gotta get the Freddy Frostbear.
Kaya nga. Ang dali.
Ano gawa mo?
Anong gawa mo? Nakarating na kami. Hindi ko narinig yung tawag mo. Siguro bumaba ako sa ano.
Ay!
Ano? Diyos ko,
Oh
grabe
my
naman,
God.
Bing. Thank you very much sa mga salamin. Nasaan ka na?
Oh my gosh, look. It's so wiggle.
Anong oras ka uuwi?
Oh, wait. Oh my gosh, look.
Alas 12 na.
Oh, okay. Spooky, scary skeleton. Oh! Huh? Okay, so I will not do that again.
Ikaw lang talaga.
Oh, it's basically. Aww. Maybe let's just not do this. Okay. I'm gonna make a post first.
Siyempre na sabi na siya na ikaw talaga yung nagawa, diba? Grabe, no? Buti na lang talaga, kaya mo.
Oh, I forgot to open this one. Okay. Sorry, I just ate shawarma. That's my favorite food now. Here it is, guys. It looks like a shiny armor. Okay, here it goes. There, it's perfect. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. So, bye!